Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the remote and the air conditioner. Make sure batteries are new and the unit is plugged in. Once done, switch the remote to AC mode so it will send the right signal set. This prevents sending TV codes and wasting time. Position yourself 3-6 feet from the AC with no obstacles between sensors. Keep the AC model or brand visible because you'll need it for code lookup. These steps speed the programming process and avoid repeated resets. You now choose a programming method, manual code entry or automatic search. For manual entry, select the AC mode, choose the brand, then enter codes from the manual. Press power to test each. For auto search, press and hold the program or search button while pointing at the AC. The remote will cycle codes until the unit reacts. Make sure to test basic commands like power, mode, and temperature as soon as the AC responds, so you can lock in the correct code quickly. You finish by saving the code when the AC responds. Follow the remote save step so it remembers. Then run through functions, power, fan speed, mode, and temperature to confirm full control. If the unit never responds, retry the auto search, change batteries, move closer, or reset both devices to clear glitches. Those fixes resolve most failures. As a last resort, use a learning-capable remote or smartphone IR adapter to copy the original remote.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.